गुड मॉर्निंग विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. आज पाहणार आहोत आपण एम.कॉम आणि बी.कॉम फायनल या दोघांचे एकत्रित कम्प्युटर विषयाचे MCQ जे परीक्षेच्या दृष्टीने महत्त्वाचे आहे. फर्स्ट, हू इन्व्हेंटेड द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब? फर्स्ट, ए. मार्क अँडरसन, बी. विंटोन सर्फ, सी. आर्थर सी क्लार्क, डी. Tim Berners-Lee. The right answer is Tim Berners-Lee. Second question. Broadband is a network connection that A. Store video and audio information by using laser technology, B. Blends one picture with another in TV production, C. Allow for more information to be sent in a shorter period of time, D. Receives and send information slower than other connections. The right answer is allow for more information to be sent in a shorter period of time, C. Then third question. Who in 1837 invented the electromagnetic telegraph, which marked the beginning of today's information age? A. Guglielmo Marconi, B. Samuel Morse, C. Alexander Graham Bell, D. Susan B. Anthony. The right answer is B. Samuel Morse. Then 4 number. Analog media was originally used in bracket for media that was analogs to the sound it was recreating. It now refers to all. A. Laser technology, satellite transmission, B. Transmitting a digital signal, non-digitized media, C. Audio recording, non-digitized media, D. None of the above is correct. The right answer is C. Audio recording, non-digitized media. Then question 5. In what year did Arthur C. Clarke, famed science fiction writer, first propose the communication satellite? A. 1925, B. 1935, C. 1945, D. 1955. The right answer is 1945. Question number 6. Characteristics of the peer-to-peer P2P network model include: A. Decentralized and non-hierarchical, B. Interconnected group of computers, C. A network of computers with equal ability to send, store and receive information. Then last, D. All of the above. The right answer is D. All of the above. Then 7 number question. A piece of icon or image on a web page associated with another web page is called: A. URL, B. hyperlink, C. plugin, D. extension. The right answer is B. hyperlink. 8 number question. What is a web browser? A. A program that can display a web page. B. A program used to view HTML documents. C. It enabled user to access the resources of internet. D. All of the mentioned. The right answer is D. All of the mentioned. 9 number. Common gateway interface is used to A. Generate executed file from web content by web browser. B. Generate web pages. C. Stream videos. D. Download media files. The right answer is generate executable file from web content. 10 number. URL stand for A. Unique reference label. B. Uniform reference label. C. Uniform resource locator. And last, D. Unique resource locator. The right answer is C. Uniform resource locator. 11. Which one of the following is not used to generate dynamic web page? A. PHP. B. ASP.NET. C. JSP. D. CSS. The right answer is D. CSS. 12th number. What is document object model DOM? A. Convention for representing and interacting with object in HTML document. B. Application programming interface. C. Hierarchy of object in ASP.NET. D. Scripting language. The right answer is A. Convention for representing and interacting with object in HTML document. 13 number question. A web page address also called A. LRU. B. URL. C. LUR. D. ULR. The right answer is B. URL. 14 number question. The standard protocol of the internet is. प्रोटोकॉल म्हणजे नियम असते नियमांचा संच. A. जावा. B. फ्लॅश. C. HTML. D. TCP/IP. The right answer is D. TCP/IP. 15 number question. Is the exchange of computer store message by telecommunication? Is the exchange of computer store message by telecommunication? A. Download. B. Email. C. Upload. D. All of these. The right answer is B. Email. 16 number question. Dangerous program that can be caught by opening email attachment and downloading software from the internet. Dangerous program. A. Spam. B. Utility. C. Honeypot. D. Virus. The right answer is D. Virus. Then 17 number question. TCP/IP stand for A. Transmission control protocol / internet protocol. B. Transmission control procedure oblique internet procedure. C. Translation computing procedure oblique international protocol. D. Transaction computing printing internet oblique printing oblique internet processing. The right answer is transmission control protocol internet protocol. 18 number question. Every host computer on the internet has a similar IP address, B. unique 15-digit number, C. unique IP address, D. common name and number. The right answer is unique IP address. 19 number. The system that translate an IP address into an easier to remember name is the A. Packet switching domain system, B. domain name system, C. domain, D. domain numbering system. The right answer is the B number, domain name system. 20 number. All of the following are top level domain except त्याशिवाय A. .com, B. .mil, C. .army, D. .org. The right answer is C. .army. 21 number question. All of the following are top level domain except A. .coop, B. .net, C. .biz, D. .bus. The right answer is D. .bus. 22 number. A URL can specify the IP address of the web bracket that house a web page. A. server, B. client, C. page, D. email receipt. The right answer is A. server. 23 number question. Broadband connections include all of the following except त्याशिवाय A. cable modem, B. satellite, C. telephone modems, D. DSL. The right answer is C. telephone modems. 24 number question. DSL stand for A. digital server lines, B. digital subscribe line, C. digits serviced per line, D. damage service line. The right answer is B. digital subscriber line. 25 number question. HTML stand for A. high text machine language, B. hypertext and links markup language, B. hypertext markup language, D. none of these. The right answer is C. hypertext markup language. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and share for future updates. ठीक है, thank you.